What we will do as a government is to focus on reducing spending if I am elected. It's clear that the federal government is spending too much. Spending growth has been 9% on average over the course of the last decade. And the federal workforce has grown by over 40% since 2015. And the government has missed many of its spending targets. At the same time, Canada as a whole is investing too little. The overall level of business investment has dropped from 14% of our GDP 10 years ago to about 11% today. And that reduction in investment undermines our longer-term competitiveness, workers' wages, and the resources that are available to spend on social programs, including healthcare. So if I'm elected Liberal leader, my government's fiscal policy will focus first on reining in government spending. And that will help create the room for personal income tax cuts so that Canadians can keep more of their hard-earned money and cope with the higher cost of living. We'll deliver more efficient and effective government, focusing on maximizing the outcomes achieved, not on the dollars that are spent. We'll slow the growth of government spending. We will cap the size of the federal public service. We will review program spending with an emphasis on outcomes. And we'll use technology, including AI and machine learning, to create efficiencies within programs and across government. So as a result, we will balance the operational budget within 3 years. At the same time, we will focus on catalyzing unprecedented levels of private investment across Canada to create jobs, to grow workers' incomes, and drive the productivity we need for those public services. This is the time to build an even better Canada, with major investments including millions of homes over the next decade, expanding and modernizing our energy infrastructure so that we are less dependent on foreign suppliers and the United States as a customer, becoming a clean energy superpower, creating a leadership position in AI, combining new intelligence infrastructure and energy infrastructure, and diversifying our trading partners away from the United States through development of ports, supply chains, and new trade corridors.